First up, we're going to be installing the Bulletproof Designs linkage guard on this 2020 Husqvarna TX300i. Hey guys, Ryan Nitzen here for Bulletproof Designs. Today we're working on this 2020 Husqvarna TX300i. We're here at Three Brothers Racing in Southern California, the nation's largest KTM and Husqvarna dealership. And today we're going to be getting these bikes battle ready with Bulletproof Designs guards. So the newer Husqvarnas and KTMs have exposed linkages on the bottom of the bike, and these are super susceptible to damage if you're riding hard enduro, tighter trails, things like that. So the Bulletproof Designs linkage guard is really great for protecting that with our 6061 aerospace aluminum. To install the Bulletproof Designs linkage guard, we're going to need two simple tools. First up is a 6mm Allen key, and second is a 13mm T-handle. So there you have it, super easy install on the Bulletproof Designs linkage guard. We've got some added protection for this 2020 Husqvarna 300. We're going to protect against rocks, roost, ruts, anything like that you're going to encounter out on the trail. We've got you covered. All Bulletproof Designs guards are made by riders, for riders, right here in the USA, and feature a lifetime warranty. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on social media, follow our website, and stay tuned for more from Bulletproof Designs.